Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unboxing RIIZE, the first mini album RIIZING. So for the poster, this is the random member, so I got Shotaro. I really hope for Unsok. At the back have message. So adorable. So this is the front. I choose this version because of the front. The group member is really good. Side, back, of course 119, boom boom bass, impossible is my favorite. So once a gentle breeze, now a mighty. Okay. Boom 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 bass. Boom 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 bass. Oh my god. And so handsome. Anton also so cute. Oh my god, won't be. Oh my god. Impossible. Oh, what is this? So we have postcard. Oh, so cute. Postcard group member. Oh my god, handsome. Oh, I love this group photo. So cute. Oh, oh. So we got the photo card, and then I really hope to get Unsok, but it's okay. And then also so cute. Oh. So we also have some stickers. So oh my god, I love this page. Oh, Unsok looks so good. Oh, so he jawline. Look at the jawline. 119, 119. Save my life, save my life. Another Sohi jawline. Credits. And the CD. Oh, so good. yeah, that's it for the album. So this is the inclusion. Thank you for watching. Bye.